Hello guys, it's MartinK here, and today I will be showing you my first official LEGO MOC. MOC stands for My Own Creation. I called this one Anakin Skywalker's Jedi Starfighter Microfighter from the Clone Wars. This model has stud shooters, which, if you don't know, you push on them and they shoot. We have R2-D2 in front, and we have Anakin Skywalker on the back. We have the wings, which can fold up and down, and on the bottom, there's a stopper here that stops these wings to a certain angle. Then there's some thrusters, some engines here, and then on the back we have the fin. This model is pretty solid. I can hold it clearly from the fin and it does not fall. So yeah, you can hold it from the edges here, here, here. Just really, this model is pretty sturdy. This could be customized, so you could have like your own. If you have some stickered pieces, printed pieces, you can add them onto this model. You can also, if you don't like the look of these things, right on here, you can change it with other pieces that you have in your collection. Also, you could take off R2-D2 with the 2x4 plate on the bottom of him, and you can put a 2x4 tile right on top of there, just so it can be smoother. I'm gonna pull out Anakin Skywalker, and this is how it looks inside. Not very detailed, but I don't really expect a microfighter to have a detailed cockpit. There's a windshield piece, and I think that's it. Right now I'll be showing you a stop motion speed build of this creation, and you can slow down the video or pause it so you can build this vehicle in microfighter form right now. Hope you enjoyed the stop motion speed build. Please leave a like if you like what you see in front of you, and if you want that I continue doing more MOCs, more different builds, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of this kind of sort of video and stop motions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Phew.